A lot of people have actually asked me, how do I join your mastering class for children footwear? I need you to know that how to join is, the first thing you want to do is you want to make your payments, which is 10,000 naira. If you make your payment between now and September 30th, that is before October 1st, you have the opportunity of making a payment of 5,000 naira or $5 if you are not in Nigeria. And of course, after that, we will actually return to our 10,000 naira. Now, this class, we are going to be learning a lot. We are going to be going from material sourcing to tool sourcing, pattern cutting, and then we're going to be teaching sole template creation. I'm going to be teaching you how to create soles for them. I'm also going to be making soles available. I mean templates available for you to use. Yes, you are going to be having access to free sole templates for both male and female. I'm going to be teaching us how to create wedges for both for children majorly, and of course we are going to be having amazing boys sandals. We're going to be looking at how to create school sandals for them. Anyone can join. If you have been into shoemaking, you can join. If you have never learned shoemaking before, you can join, because I want my mommies, I want my daddies, my aunties and uncles to also learn this and reduce family expenses on footwear, and at the same time build new income stream. My name is Tilo Durole Mojibola, and trust me, I'm going to see you there. Bye.